Hey everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this gorgeous console table. Let's take a look.
Look how cute this thing is. Stay tuned to the end and I'm going to show you how easy this was to put together. So you get 4 tiers on this. It is 41.3 inches long. It has this incredible mix of media. You get the metal and the engineered wood. This is great to display all of your things, but it's also so incredibly practical because it is very slim and you can fit it behind a couch or you can even fit it in a small entryway. Here are a few close-up looks. Love this black with that rustic brown. You can just wipe this clean with a damp cloth. This is very light. It weighs about 32 pounds, so you can move this wherever you want with ease. Wanted to just show you in my entryway where I have this really small space and it works beautifully. I'm really loving it and think that you will too. Put this one in your cart. I recommend. Now let's put it together. Here is the box that it comes in. These are all of the pieces. This was so easy and didn't take very long at all. So what you are going to do is just attach the 2 sides and then attach the different shelves. All of the screws come with this, so you don't need to go out and get anything. I love that it has these little adjustable feet, so it's going to be level on any surface. And then you put the top on, flip it over, and you are done. Loving this one. Super easy to put together. Again, check it out.